Welcome back to Next Audiobook Shorts. We are currently living through a silent epidemic. It is the fragmentation of the human mind. Every notification, every quick email check, and every scroll through social media is an act of cognitive sabotage. Most people spend their entire lives in a state of shallow work, performing tasks that are logistically demanding but create zero new value in the world. They are busy, but they are not productive. Today, we are decoding the ultimate competitive advantage of the 21st century. Based on the groundbreaking work of Cal Newport, we are exploring deep work. Deep work is the ability to focus without distraction on a cognitively demanding task. It is a state that allows you to wring every last drop of value out of your brain. In an economy that rewards the rare and the difficult, the ability to go deep is the only way to become indispensable. This is not just a book summary. This is a blueprint for reclaiming your mind. Let's descend into the depth. Chapter 1. The Deep Work Hypothesis. Main idea. Focus is not a moral choice. It is an economic necessity. The deep dive. Cal Newport begins with a chilling observation. As our economy shifts toward complex systems and artificial intelligence, the average worker is becoming obsolete. There are two groups that will thrive in this new era. Those who can work with complex machines and those who can produce at an elite level. Both require deep work. Most people suffer from attention residue. When you switch from task A to task B, your attention does not follow immediately. A part of your brain remains stuck on the previous task. If you check your email every 10 minutes, you are never truly present in your work. You are operating at a fraction of your mental capacity. Deep work is the only way to clear this residue and achieve hyperfocus. This is why top-tier CEOs, authors, and programmers disappear for weeks at a time. They understand that high-quality work is a simple math equation. Time spent x intensity of focus equals high-quality output. If your focus intensity is near zero, your output, no matter how many hours you work, is worthless. Key points. The rareness of focus. Why the world is making it harder to concentrate just as it becomes more valuable. The high-stakes economy. Moving from knowledge work to elite production. Attention residue. The hidden cost of multitasking that is draining your IQ by 10 points. Emotional takeaway. A sense of urgency. You realize that your busyness is actually a barrier to your success. Chapter 2. The 4 Philosophies of Depth. Main idea. You cannot wait for the mood to strike. You must choose a structure for your focus. The deep dive. Newport argues that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to focus. You must choose a philosophy that fits your life. The monastic philosophy. This is the most extreme. You cut out all distractions, go offline, and dedicate your entire existence to one craft. Think of authors like J.K. Rowling or Bill Gates' Think Weeks. The bimodal philosophy. You divide your time into clearly defined stretches of depth and openness. You might spend 4 days a week in total isolation and 3 days being accessible. The rhythmic philosophy. This is for the daily worker. You create a rhythm where you go deep at the same time every single day, e.g., 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. This removes the need for willpower. The journalistic philosophy. This is for the masters. It is the ability to shift into deep work instantly, whenever you find a spare 20 minutes. Without a philosophy, you are relying on willpower, and willpower is a finite resource that runs out by lunch. By choosing a structure, you automate the descent into depth. Key points. Removing decision fatigue. Why scheduling focus is more important than the focus itself. The ritual of entry. Using environmental cues, coffee, specific music, a clean desk to trigger the brain. Willpower versus system. Why systems always beat motivation. Emotional takeaway. Clarity. You no longer feel guilty for not being a monk. You find a rhythm that fits your specific career. Chapter 3. Training your brain for boredom. Main idea. If you cannot handle boredom, you will never master focus. The deep dive. Your brain has been rewired by the distraction economy. Every time you feel a micro moment of boredom, standing in line at a grocery store, waiting for a meeting to start, you reach for your phone. This has conditioned your brain to expect a hit of dopamine the second things get quiet. If your brain is addicted to distraction, it will reject deep work the same way a body addicted to sugar rejects a healthy meal. You must train for boredom. Newport suggests that you stop treating focus as something you do only at your desk. You must practice it everywhere. Don't check your phone in the elevator. Don't listen to a podcast during every single walk. Allow your mind to wander. By embracing boredom, you are strengthening the focus muscle. You're teaching your brain that it is okay to be alone with a single thought. Without this training, you will sit down for a deep work session and your brain will scream for a distraction within 5 minutes. Key points: the dopamine detox, reversing the damage done by short-form content and infinite scrolling. Productive meditation, choosing a complex problem and thinking about it deeply while doing a physical task like walking. The focus muscle, realizing that concentration is a skill to be practiced, not an innate talent. Emotional takeaway, discipline. You begin to see boredom as an opportunity for growth rather than a problem to be solved. Chapter 4. The Art of Productive Rest, Shutdown. Main idea: deep work requires deep rest. You cannot be on all the time. The deep dive. The final secret to elite focus is knowing when to stop. Your brain is like a high-performance engine. If you redline it for 16 hours a day, it will explode. Newport introduces the Shutdown Ritual. At the end of your workday, you must have a clear, definitive ritual where you close your laptop, review your tasks for tomorrow, and say a specific phrase like "shut down complete." Once you shut down, work is dead. No emails, no Slack, no just one quick thought. This is not just for your mental health, it is for your performance. Your unconscious mind is far more powerful at solving complex problems than your conscious mind. When you rest deeply, your unconscious mind continues to work on your toughest challenges in the background. By the time you wake up, the solution is often waiting for you. Constant shallow work prevents this process. By resting, you're actually accelerating your progress. Key points: the Zeigarnik effect, why unfinished tasks haunt your mind, and how the shutdown ritual kills them. Directed attention fatigue, understanding that your ability to focus is a battery that needs a full recharge every 24 hours. The unconscious advantage, letting your system 2 brain solve the hard problems while you sleep. Emotional takeaway, peace. You finally have permission to stop working and truly enjoy your life, knowing it makes you more successful. Conclusion: the superpower of the elite. The ability to go deep is becoming rarer at the exact moment. It is becoming more valuable. The few who can master this skill will own the future. Deep work is not about working more hours. It is about working with more soul, more intensity, and more purpose. It is about leaving the shallow waters of distraction and diving into the depths where real greatness is built. The notifications will still be there. The emails will still be there. But you will be different. You will be a master of your mind. Now close the tabs, turn off the phone, and go deep. Thank you for experiencing this masterclass on deep work here at Next Audiobook Shorts. If you are ready to reclaim your focus and join the top 1% of performers, hit the subscribe button. We are here to provide the blueprints for your architectural excellence. Today's challenge: put your phone in a different room for the next 2 hours. Comment below, "I am choosing depth," if you're taking the challenge. Stay focused. Stay elite. We'll see you in the deep.